Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by choosing the same options in both apps. Firstly, click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then click OK. Either way, from here, click on your device's screens and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go only with a couple of them, just for example. And then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. When you see Here's Some Tip pop-up, click on Got It and then tap on Input key on an Android to enter this key and hit Receive to connect. If you want to scan this QR code though, just tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up after closing an ad and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!